building.
Hi, I'm Brent Watchering. This is Mandy Watchering. We're building the Redford, what is it, the 2H?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Working with Shannon and Jonna, just helping and guiding us along, just answering all the questions and being available whenever I need them, and just them making that process a lot easier.
The design studios can seem overwhelming at first, but whenever you start to break it down into the bite-size sessions, it really does go by well.
I would say we have met with other builders, and just the ease initially going into a lot more is included in than other builders, which makes it easier on the price and your budget.
And when looking at models, the quality, you can really tell the quality difference.
Yes, and having the option to go in and see the models, so you can see them in real life and not just on a piece of paper, that made it a lot easier in our selection. I would say do it. It's probably the best decision we've made, and it's been fun and as easy as possible, and they're really great people to work with.
And it's simple. Go to a model, talk to somebody, and we would recommend Shannon. She knows her stuff over in Yorktown. So.